This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these three simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. The news in detail. The Union Environment, Forest and Climate Change Ministry and Tribal Affairs Ministry signed a joint communication to provide more powers to tribal communities in managing the forest resources. It is related to Forest Rights Act, which recognizes and provides forest rights to tribal communities and forest dwellers. A joint communication said it will empower the tribal communities and help in effective implementation of the Forest Rights Act. Meghalaya Power Minister James Sangma has stated that the government will go ahead with the Umngot Hydro Electric Project after all pending issues relating to environment and socio-economic statuses are addressed. He said that the project is required since there is an acute shortage of power. There is a need to increase the generation capacity in the state. The government's proposal of setting up a 210 megawatt Umngot hydroelectric project had faced backlash. Several stakeholders opposed it, fearing the impact on the environment and on the famous Umngot River, known for its crystal clear waters. The Assam Government has issued new directives in the state to contain the spread of COVID-19. Health Minister Keshav Mahanta said yesterday that 7 districts have been declared total containment zones for a week. These are Goalpara, Golaghat, Jorhat, Sonitpur, Biswanath, Morigaon and Lakhimpur. On the other hand, curfew will be continued in 16 districts from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. In remaining 11 districts, including Kamrup Metro, curfew will continue from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Inter-district movement will remain banned for another week, but essential and emergency services will be continued with. Meghalaya reported 9 COVID-19 related deaths yesterday, tallying the fatalities to 880. The state also recorded 457 new cases, adding up to 4,305 active cases. Also, 497 more recoveries surged the number of recovered cases to 47,173. Meanwhile, 6,73,916 persons received the first dose and 88,708 received the second dose of the vaccine against COVID-19 till yesterday. Nagaland reported 60 fresh positive cases of COVID-19 yesterday, taking the number of confirmed cases to 25,619. Recoveries of 113 patients have also been added to the number of recovered cases, taking it to 23,271. The number of COVID-19 casualties have furthered to 480, with 4 deaths reported yesterday. Active cases in the state now stand at 1,134. In Manipur, 863 persons, including 25 personnel from the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. On the other hand, 14 people expired due to COVID-19 related complications, increasing the fatality figure to 1,218. Meanwhile, 592 COVID-19 patients were discharged from hospitals after recovery. The recovery rate is 89.87% and active cases stand at 6,231. The number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered till yesterday was 7,69,107, including 87,428 second doses. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has inaugurated a 200-bedded COVID ICU at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. It has 4 dialysis beds and 80,000 litres medical oxygen tank facilities. Inaugurating the new COVID-19 treatment facility, the Chief Minister urged people not to lower their guard. He said that Assam has made rapid progress in terms of better health infrastructure facilities. Along with Health Minister Keshav Mahanta, the Chief Minister also started the ceremonial distribution of appointment letters to 896 staff nurses under the National Health Mission. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.